say that on the internet.
Why can't you?
That's literally.
It's accidental.
Sneak a peek right out.
What he said.
Woo.
Ready?
Ah.
You better, you.
I don't know. Looks good. Hi, Steven.
Hello.
Yeah, we back again.
Absolutely. We're doing banners. We got banners in. I'm excited. Mouse has been bugging me about these for I don't know how long.
Yeah, dude. I'm excited.
Yeah, we got rid of the CTM banner. Shout out to him though. He's cool. I like his shit.
Oh shit. I didn't see you did that.
Yeah, I put it on the door.
Are we exposing these?
So no, we're not exposing those. Yeah. What? I tried my best.
Because hey, Mouse, let me put this on the door.
It's professionally installed.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Literally so many buttons.
From here, it looks great through this camera.
When you're standing right here, it looks like absolute dog shit.
Well, don't go over
Where
there.
all those creases are, there's going to be a buildup of dust on top, so you're really going to see it.
Well, that's fine. Who cares? It's on the door. It's there forever.
No, I bet I can rip that off.
You rip that off, I'm gonna rip your mustache off.
Good luck.
One hair at a time. Anyway, we measured where his needs to go on where it needs to go on Mouse's car. So all we gotta do is pull back the vinyl, lay it down, squeegee it on, cut what we need to cut, and then he went with silver. I also have a purple one that we need to throw on Alex's truck. Since I changed my mind. The blue truck, yeah. He wants to put it on the back window. Yeah. If we get on the wide enough angle, maybe. I don't know. Can we do it?
There's a table right behind you.
Yeah. Damn it!
No, don't mind me. I read the door.
Don't mind me. Just doing dumb things with my dumbass friends.
I'm not the one who was trying to set it up on the hood like it's not gonna get bumped.
Dumbass things with my dumbass friends. As I said before.
We're not the idiots here. You are.
We're all idiots here.
No, you're the sole idiot. Right now. Yeah, no. Give it back. Give it back. You're not white boy in the ear. No, don't take it off. Put it away. Put it away. Shamu, no!
It's the white whale.
Oh, dude. Oh, man. And now we're banned.
What? We're not banned. I didn't post it yet.
You're naked on camera.
Ooh.
Ooh, I'm telling.
Telling your mom.
You know to put it at the very tippy top of that case.
Yeah. Right there.
Not a millimeter above it, like literally almost touching it.
Steven, it's touching you.
Okay.
Okay. Right there. No less, no more. No more, no less, no less, no more.
Pull it tighter, dude.
Yeah, right there. Fucking over here testing me. Bitch. I got eyes. I went to the eye doctor. They said I see great.
Well, I know that one eye's a little damaged now.
No, they said my eyesight's better than the last time I got them checked. They checked both. They said you see better than the last time apparently. I said how the fuck does that
Stop
work?
fucking moving.
I'm not moving. You're moving. The earth is moving. Neither one is moving.
Honestly, yeah, if the Earth would just stop moving,
We would all die. We'd all literally float out.
that'd be fun.
Yep, until you freeze to death.
Well, maybe we're in a building, we just
Yeah, Yeah.
So that would be like we're on Mars?
I don't know, Steven. Don't talk to Elon Musk. I don't fucking know, dude.
What are you doing? Because my shit's not lining up.
I'm not moving. The line's lined up.
How? The angle's off.
It's not fucking laid flat, sir. It's gonna be laid flat to it.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, that thing is good.
So he's doing something over there.
I'm literally
He's
on-
allegedly lined up, but he's not.
So when I put this one down, that got moved up just a little bit.
No, we measured it.
I blame you. You did something.
I totally just held it the entire time. You guys measured and taped.
I mean, it's literally just like that. It's not going to be noticeable.
This is literally straight. Come look at this.
It's not going to be noticeable.
Okay, come look at this and tell me that I did anything different over here. Tell me that I'm not literally on it. Go. I'm not even moving this.
Yeah, that one is straight across.
What'd you do to your side?
I don't know. Nothing.
I don't know either. I haven't moved.
Tape measure?
Hey, man. Back stretcher.
I need one of those.
Back stretcher.
Yes.
Pull the top tight.
It's not gonna matter.
It is gonna matter.
No, you need the bottom tight.
You need
That's
the
what's gonna be
bottom
laid
tight.
down. The top's getting cut off.
Oh, so does it? Oh, it might have been that. Because this was
I put it under. See, it's fine.
See, that's at a 21 and a quarter.
Oh. So what the fuck? What happened?
What'd you do?
I don't know. The math ain't mathing.
Okay, so that's at 21 and a half right now. Do not move that hand. Okay?
Oh, I see that you moved.
Okay, so that needs to go up.
Like that. Dude, who put these tape ones here? They suck.
Show mom.
I put them at the very edge of the fucking piece. So it's one, y'all that are moving.
I'm not moving.
Okay, that's 21, or, yeah, 21 and a half.
Okay, so I need a hair.
Well, that's where they're both supposed to be.
Okay, so I need a hair of space. In between one and blade now. Got it. Easy peasy. Alright.
Hold on. I'm gonna put a new piece on the opposite side.
What about my side? You want me to just remember?
No, I'm just gonna put another piece that way so it matches that.
Go for it, buddy.
That way so you guys will have some wiggle room.
Steven, we can't have wiggle room on a banner. I guess the only thing that actually matters if we get it completely straight would be the letters.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing. That and making sure it's centered.
So I mean it's black, so it's gonna blend in. Anyway.
Should we put the letters on the banner beforehand? Before we put it on, or should we put the letters on after? After?
So you guys have that much room.
Okay. Now we take it off, pull the bag off, lay it down, squeegee it.
Just don't do half at a time. Put a small one in the middle of it.
Yeah. What'd you do?
Nothing. You didn't catch it, then you didn't catch it.
I'll catch it later. It's okay.
They know.
They know. Mouse's banner's done. Looks sick. He sprayed off the car real quick because for some reason our rain's more mud than rain anymore because of all the dust in the air. And our color cars are not good at hiding it.
No, not at all.
No. But banner looks sick. We got it even. We didn't fuck it up. Hit up Mouse at Muscle Mouse on Instagram for all your banner install needs. Steven, hit up Steven for all your detail needs at Something About a Truck. Yeah. Message us for details. What? With 1 T.
It's literally SUM about a truck.
Yeah.
Some
About a truck.
Something about a truck. Something about a truck. You gotta say it with a redneck accent to spell it right.
Shoot it back, shoot it back, shoot it back, shoot it.
Hey, that's a good song. Steven, don't back your head up. Y'all feel like doing mine still? Yeah. I'm done. You got time?
Got time for a little bit.
Okay.
The time is. Bring your car in now.
Alright. We're gonna pause this. Alright, we're back. So you guys last seen we did Mouse's banner. We just washed my car. We installed my banner. Mouse did a silver, I did a gray. Kind of can't tell the difference, but banners look good. Just sprayed the car off real quick to get some of the dirt off of it. It's been raining like crazy here. But something else that we just did. Oh yeah, Steven's drying the car off for me because he loves me. Something else we just did. I got license plate frames in. So if anybody sees this and they want one of these license plate frames, hit me up on Instagram at Never Settle Garage or TikTok at Never Settle Garage or comment on YouTube. But we still have 2 more banners to put up. We got to do Stevens on his Challenger. We got to do Adams on his truck. So we will continue this video when we have those and we're doing those. But that'll be a different day. So until then, see you in the next one.